What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage and welcome to the desert. We got a little bit to talk about today, so let's get into it.
For the longest time, whoa, for the longest.
Yo, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, represent, got it represent.
All right, guys, I'm going to give you guys the scenic view as we talk about this today. We're rolling out here to Red Rock Canyon. Basically, no cell phone service, out to the boonies. I got about an hour and something drive to go. If you didn't know, there's property that we have out here in the middle. It's past Pahrump, and got to go out there and just put hands on it or feet on it every once in a while. But today, I wanted to talk to you guys about what's going on with the Jeep Grand Wagoneers. Now, internal communications between different people at Stellantis have acknowledged a manufacturing defect with the Grand Wagoneer. Now, what I mean by that is, if you have one of these and you're getting a rattle by your sunroof or a rattle in the rear by your liftgate, that is a manufacturer's defect. Now, you're able to bring it in under warranty, and what they will do is they do a Mickey Mouse repair. They basically take the ceiling down, they put some very thick, double-sided, very strong tape in there and stick it back in so that it stops rattling. Now, what they're going to be doing, or what they should do, is do that at the factory so that it doesn't happen. The manufacturing defect, there's two clips that go in the rear back there, and you know, they snap on at the factory and then they just come off because the CAD, the thing that makes the injection molding, the little plastic piece that, you know, the specifications they have to design it, is off. And it being off by however many centimeters means the first time you hit a bump, or even during shipping, if it's on a truck and it's bouncing around on a truck, that ceiling can come off from that, and what you hear is that rattle, is that piece banging off against the part that it's supposed to be clipped in. Now, Stellantis knows about this. You'd think they would just fix it, right? Do the right thing and fix the issue. Of course not. Of course they're not. They are passing the buck down the road, and they would rather lose money instead of fixing it at the manufacturing point, right? Now that they know exactly what causes it, instead of them fixing at the manufacturer point, they're basically saying, F it, we're not gonna fix it, we'll let the dealers do it, and they pay out warranty money for billable hours for dealers to fix it, because what they're hoping, and this is why you guys that own these Grand Wagoneers need to pay attention, what they're hoping is people will just deal with it. Like, some people have little creaks or rattles in their car and they literally just turn the radio up so they don't have to deal with fixing it. Think about that. You paid $110,000, some people $115,000 for an SUV that's supposed to be luxury, and they hope that you just don't care and don't fix it. Hell no. Well, guys, it is 114 degrees out here right now. It was 120 about an hour ago. It started to come down a little bit. It will go down a little bit as I gain elevation out here, which is great, but it is still 114 degrees, hot as balls. And I just wanted to do a quick video, you know, giving you guys the scenic view, the beautiful views out here at Red Rock Canyon. We also, this is where a lot of guys on the weekends run their supercars at completely legal and safe speeds. And this is where we go horseback riding out here as well. It's a very beautiful place. If you come to Las Vegas, you definitely want to take a trip out here. It is definitely worth the views. The views out here are absolutely amazing. But anyways, let me know what you guys think. If you guys have one of these Grand Wagoneers, how do you feel knowing that they could fix this at the factory, and they're not doing it on purpose. And if you're an investor, how do you feel about the company putting out millions and millions of dollars a month in billable hours to dealer service departments for an issue that they could fix at the factory? All that stuff hits the bottom line. And for somebody like Carlos Tavares, who is like, cut this, fire them, lay these people off, cut, and all they do is cut jobs and cut costs, that should be something that is addressed immediately. Like, there's no excuse for this crap that he's doing. But anyways, different type of video today. I wanted to see how you guys like the driving videos. I wasn't just sitting in the office / living room today. I was like, you know what? I got to get out of the house. Let me go put some hands on the property, see what's going on out here in Pahrump. No, I'm not going out here for the hose. I know you guys, I already know the comments. TK's going to the Bunny Ranch. Don't let him tell you anything different. No, I'm going out here to the property. I'll probably do a different video out there. And I'm just driving the car because we are approaching 60,000 miles on the little baby, man. Loving this car, man. This, I will say this. I crapped on the B48 and the 4-cylinder BMWs for a long time. I was wrong. This thing is like great gas mileage, way more. Now here's the thing, the B58, the 6-cylinder inline 6, great engine as well. And the B48 has some of the same issues with the coolant thing, like plastic stuff's breaking, but they make metal parts for all that now. And like I said, this thing has been a flawless. It's been a great car, man. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I thoroughly enjoy it as a daily driver, man. Just awesome. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do, and if you like the change of scenery and us talking about what we talk about anyway, and you're getting these kind of views, also let me know in the comments below, because it ain't like we can't change it up. I could talk about this and what we talk about on a daily basis right here every day. We could do this, we could do the strip, we could go to different cities, you know, I don't care. Anyways, hey, look, there's a Ram. I wonder if it has a Hurricane engine. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys very soon on the next one.